Most important problems, 2 marks, extreme values and maximum minimum values of quadratic expressions. Maximum, minimum and extreme both are same. So first one is find the extreme value of expressions. Extreme values means maximum value and minimum value of quadratic expression. Maximum and minimum value. Here given expression 15 plus 4x minus 3x square. Okay, right. Here coefficient of x square. So it is a comparing with comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, here coefficient of x square a. Therefore here coefficient of x square equals to minus 3 is less than 0. Coefficient of x square is equals to minus 3. It is a less than 0. Then the here quadratic expression have minimum value. What is the value? Minimum value. So here x square equals to minus 3. X square equals to minus 3 less than 0. Quadratic expression have maximum value. Opposite. You take opposite signs. Or greater than 0. Greater than 0 means quadratic expression have minimum value. So having when quadratic expression having maximum value. What is the value? Maximum value. When expression have maximum value. What is the value? Maximum value. Maximum value. So therefore maximum value equals to 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a. X equal to minus b by 2a. So substitute the values of a, b, c. What is the 4? a equals to minus 3. c equals to constant 15 minus b square coefficient of x 4 square by 4 into a means minus 3 at x equals to minus b equals to 4 by 2a equals to minus 3. Right. So 4 3s are 12 minus 12 into 15. Okay, 15 10s are 50, 15 2s are 30 minus 180 minus 16 by minus 12 at x equals to minus get cancel 4 by 6. Okay, so minus 196 by minus 12 at x equals to 2 2s are 2 3s are minus 2 by 3 minus get cancel 4 3s are 12 4 4s are 16 36 4 9s are 36 49 by 3 at x equals to minus 2 by 3. Okay, it is called a extreme value of quadratic expression. So coefficient of x square, here maximum or minimum value depend on coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square minus 3 is less than 0, then expression is maximum, having maximum value. Coefficient of x square a is greater than 0, then expression having minimum value. Okay, right. Next problem. Find the maximum and minimum. Both are same, maximum and minimum value of quadratic expression. So given expression, okay, 2x plus 5 minus 3x square. Okay, right. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Here a equal to minus 3, b equals to 2, c equals to 5. So therefore coefficient of x square equals to minus 3 is less than 0 when expression having maximum value. What is the value? Maximum value. Therefore maximum value equals to 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a. Right. So 4 a equals to minus 3. Okay, c equals to 5 minus b 2 square by 4 into a means minus 3 at x equals to minus b equals to 2 by 2a minus 3. Okay, right. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, minus 60 minus 4 by minus 12 at x equals to minus get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, x equals to 1 by 3. Minus 64 by minus 12 at x equals to 1 by 3. Minus get cancelled. Okay. 4 table. 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 6s are. Okay. Therefore 16 by 3 at x equals to 1 by 3. It is a maximum value of given expression. Most important problem, 2 marks. Okay.